see trouble. I'm buying stuff. What are you looking to buy? Dr. Marietta does not like watermelon. This is for your vlog?
Yeah, for my vlog.
Yeah, please. Don't crack me up.
You want to show? I know you don't.
Okay, you're not showing.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
happy Saturday. Just ignore this. This is my microphone. You guys already know. Welcome to a new video. It's kind of been like a silent vlog kind of up until now. I actually wanted to use this video to do a silent vlog, but I guess I can't do without talking, so we'll see. We'll try again another time. But today is Saturday and I just showed you guys a bit of what I've been up to, like cleaning, you know, all of that stuff. But now it's like past 12 and I want to go out and come back fast and then finish off the rest of things that I need to do. Actually, I wrote down a to-do list on my phone last night because I didn't want to forget. So most of my groceries actually done, but I need to go just run some errands at the mall. I need to get to Sephora, get to Marshalls or HomeSense, get to Bath and Body Works, and get to Shoppers Drug Mart. And then I need to get my car washed because it is so dirty. If you know anything about like Canada, like when it snows and then I don't know, your car gets dirty, like really dirty, and you don't want to always wash it regularly because by the time you go out and it snows again, like it will be dirty. But it hasn't been snowing for a while now, so I was like, let me see if I can get that done. Hopefully I can get that done today, sure. But yeah, those are the things I really want to do. And what else? I just want to run all those like fast errands fast and be back and do the things I have to do, like juice this pineapple. You know, those two pineapples there, and I have some oranges like at the corner. I told you guys in that my first video of 2024 that I'm juicing, guys, so I'm like keeping up to it. So part of my groceries yesterday, I picked up some fruits, so yeah, I have to juice that today because if I don't, I really wouldn't do it before the week starts next week, and I like to do it like during the weekend. But yeah, let me not talk too much. I have to get going now. I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'm wearing this sweater, this sweatshirt or whatever. I'm wearing a joggers. Wait, let me flip the camera the other way so you guys can see. Just wearing this. But to be honest, it hasn't even been that cold, and it's like shocking because it's February, and usually February has like worse weather conditions. So I'm just wearing this wearing this joggers. This joggers has like fleece in it. I don't know how to explain, but like inside is like wool, so it'll keep you really warm. And then I'm going to wear some sneakers. No need for boots because it's actually not snowing. I guess when I went out it was really sunny, so but yeah, I'm just wearing this in case. Sometimes the wind can be windy. But yeah, that's it, and I will take you guys with me and film what I can film. Okay, let's go. Good. I found what I want. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So in Sephora, I didn't find what I was looking for, and I'm confused. So I'm gonna check Shoppers Drug Mart and see if I find the skincare stuff that I want. But right now I'm at Bath and Body Works. I hope you guys can hear me. But I found the one I used last, the foaming hand soap. back. I've done some huge damage. Like, I just wanted to get a few things and I just went overboard. Crazy. But I'm panting because they're heavy and stuff. I'll show you guys when I get home, but I am exhausted. I'm just going home. I don't even know if I can go to car wash right now because I am so exhausted. And this is already 2:42. I still want to do some other things today, so I think I'm just gonna head home. It's not good to come outside. Stay at home. Stay home. Because when you come out, money just goes out. Basically. Ugh. Hi guys. So I'm back. Okay, so I think you guys can hear me. I'm back right now. It's so hot in this house. I don't know what's wrong with the winter this period, for real, because it's looking like spring or it's looking like summer and I don't get it. But anyway, I'm back. I'm exhausted. I did more than what I thought I would. But I just want to show you guys quickly what I got because anytime crunch, to be honest. I really wanted to rest today, but I clearly really haven't. So I stopped at Home Sense and I got this painting, this set. So I've been looking for what to put just above my bed. And even though like this is not so fantastic, I was like, well, this will do. So I didn't mind that. So I got this basically. That's what I'm saying. I like it, but I hope it's going to give what I expect. But basically this is what it looks like, Sha, like an abstract simple painting, nothing basic. So I'm going to put that just above my bed. And then this just includes some towels. So I just got some new towels because I like to change my towels and I like to use white. You're not using white towels, I don't know what you're doing. How will you know when it's dirty? I don't know, Sha, but yeah, I like using white towels, so I wanted to replace the ones that I have, so I got a bunch of them. And then where else? I got this from Home Sense as well. I have some bar soaps that I use sometimes, like the Nigerian one, the black soap basically. So I was looking for where to put them in my bathroom. Then I got some stuff from Shoppers Drug Mart, some skincare stuff, which I thought I'll see in Sephora, but I didn't see it. But thankfully there was Shoppers Drug Mart there, so I just went there. I got this hand cream for my hands. It's the Healthy Hands, basically. Then I got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost, kind of like a gel cream basically. So I ran out of the one that I had, and I hope this is the latest one because I think the latest one is much better. The last time I got it wasn't. I don't know if it's the latest one. I actually don't know, but maybe. But yeah, basically it looks like this. It's really hydrating, so that's why I like it, and I always just go back to buy when I run out of it. This I love so much. So the last time I was at my sister's, I used it. She gave me the one she had. Oh, look at me thinking. I thought there was two, but she gave me the one she had, which I love so much. And this thing kind of like, one time when I was trying to do my skincare, it fell down and this broke, right? So I've not been using it much inside because I don't know if it broke inside. Like, I don't want to put it on my face and then I like get myself injured. So I wanted to get, and plus that one is almost out and I love it so much, so I had to go look for it. So this is what it looks like. So basically I'm just gonna replace this cover with this applicator just so I can use it. But yeah, it is so good, so good, so hydrating. She gave me two, actually, not two of this type. There was another one which I was thinking to, that one is La Roche-Posay Niacinamide 10, I think. I don't remember, but if I get a picture I'll show you guys. So that one, they didn't have that one and it was sold out online as well, so I couldn't get that one. But I still have, this is it, this is the other one. This is the the, I hope you guys can see, I don't know. But basically that's the, wait, you know what? Why did I even show you guys? Hold on, let me get it. So this is the Pixie one that I just replaced, that I got a new one of. And then this is the La Roche-Posay one that I wanted to get another one, but they didn't have it online or in store. So I had to check back with them, to be honest, because I really love it. And I got Dove, just normal deodorant. And then you guys saw when I got this foaming hand soap. That's gonna be for my bathroom, because the one that's there is out. So yeah, and then the last thing that I got, which is so huge, is a new bedding set, which I'm gonna set up today. I'm gonna sleep so good. Like, I've been wanting to change my bedding set for a while now, and I just haven't found anyone that made sense. But I saw this one in HomeSense. It's huge, but you guys will see when I'm making my bed. I'm just gonna keep this in the room now, to be honest. Okay, so that's all that I got, and I didn't get to go to the car wash today because I was already so exhausted from carrying all these things together. But I want to just get myself together, do some juicing, and I'll come back to you guys later, maybe when I'm making my bed or something else. I mean, anything else is happening.